Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A20s, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this Samsung. You need to begin by opening device's settings. In them, scroll down to access display. Following that, click on Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on the best one for you in order to apply it. I will go with Gothic Bold. As you can see, after that, style of my font has changed. But you can always go into exactly the same section, but this time select Download Fonts instead. Now click on this little icon next to the best one, or just click on it and choose Install at the bottom. Over here, you can click on Apply right away, or go back into Font Style Settings and apply it by tapping on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!